Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. This snake plant has been growing in the same pot for many years and has started to grow more slowly, and its leaves are no longer as healthy as before. Today I will share with you a simple recipe using familiar ingredients available in the kitchen to help the plant grow healthier. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss useful plant care tips. Let's get started. First, water the snake plant with a moderate amount of clean water. This will help evenly moisten the growing medium, awaken the root system after a dry period, and at the same time, help the plant absorb the supplemental solution in the following steps more effectively and safely. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, we will prepare a solution to support the plant. The first ingredient I use is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder contains natural compounds that are commonly used by many gardeners to help limit mold and keep the surface of the growing medium cleaner. Prepare a clean glass. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to the glass. Then pour in about 500 milliliters of hot water to make the solution. Use a spoon to stir well for about 30 to 60 seconds so that the cinnamon powder is evenly dispersed in the water. Then cover the glass and let the solution steep for about 2 hours so that the natural components can be extracted more effectively. At the same time, we will prepare the rice powder solution. Prepare another clean glass, add 3 tablespoons of rice powder to the glass. If this video helped your plant, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow plant lover. Then add 500 milliliters of hot water to make the solution. Use a spoon to stir well so that the rice powder is thoroughly mixed with the water before moving on to the next step. Cover the glass and let the solution steep for 2 hours together with the cinnamon powder solution. After about 2 hours, when both solutions have cooled to room temperature, I will strain out all of the residue and keep only the clear liquid. First, strain the cinnamon powder solution through a strainer or fine cloth. This step is very important because it helps remove any remaining powder residue, preventing it from clogging the spray bottle or sticking to the leaves and growing medium during use. Next, do the same with the rice powder solution. Here, I will strain the rice powder solution together with the cinnamon powder solution so that the 2 ingredients are combined. Continue straining out all of the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Comment below and let me know which plant you want me to save next. Once finished, we now have a solution ready to use in the next step. Add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have an organic fertilizer solution for the plant. First, take a soft cotton pad and dip it into the cinnamon powder and rice powder solution, then gently wipe both sides of the snake plant leaves as shown in the video. Using this solution will help clean dirt from the surface of the leaves, help keep the leaves cleaner, and create favorable conditions for the plant to photosynthesize more effectively. At the same time, the natural components in cinnamon powder and rice powder also contribute to supporting the plant during its growth when used properly. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. Next, pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle. Then gently spray a thin mist over the leaves and the surface of the growing medium. The cinnamon powder solution helps keep the surfaces of the leaves and growing medium cleaner, while the rice powder solution provides a small amount of natural organic matter. When combined and used at an appropriate frequency, this solution can support healthy plant growth, help the leaves remain green and firm, and support more stable root development. In addition to the snake plant, you can also use this solution to mist the Zamioculcas plant. This will help clean dirt from the surface of the leaves, support more effective photosynthesis, and at the same time provide a small amount of natural components, helping the leaves become green, glossy, and firm, and helping the plant grow healthier when used properly. Pour the remaining solution into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the plant, using only enough to moisten the growing medium. The mixture of rice powder and cinnamon powder solution will contribute a small amount of organic matter and natural components to the growing medium, supporting healthy root development and helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively when used properly and at an appropriate frequency. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with indoor plants, feel free to post in the community tab of the channel. Let's learn, share, and grow together as plant lovers every day. Results. After about 2 months of consistently applying this method, combined with proper watering and lighting conditions, you will begin to see very noticeable changes in the plant. New leaves will continue to emerge, becoming darker green, thicker, firmer, and glossier. The older leaves will also remain fresh for longer, making the entire plant look greener, healthier, and more attractive. When you check the root system, you will see many new white root tips beginning to develop. A healthier root system will help the plant absorb water and nutrients effectively, allowing it to grow steadily and reducing wilting or yellowing leaves. If you continue maintaining this care method, the plant will grow increasingly stronger, the foliage will become fuller, its vitality will noticeably improve, and it will maintain its healthy green appearance for a long time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss new videos about plant care. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.